Most students lose marks in CELPIP reading because of these type of questions. Try this test and see your real level. You'll get 3 questions, pause the video, answer, then check your score at the end. I will be discussing each question one by one, along with the strategies step by step that you can use in your real exam to get the desired score. Let's have a look at this passage. Title: Workplace Communication. You don't have to read the text, that's the first step. Step 2 is to read your question. As soon as you get your reading, you start with reading your question first. Question number 1. What is one disadvantage of digital communication? Step 2 is not to read the options along with it. We will rather look for the keywords in the text. Keywords from the question. 1. Disadvantage of digital communication. Of course, the entire text is about digital communication, so I will not pick it up as my keyword. I may get distracted. I'd rather choose disadvantage as my keyword. Keywords are very important. It will tell you the actual place, actual location of your answer. Disadvantage is a negative word, therefore I will be looking for a negative word in the text. So I have a connector here, while. In the second line, while this approach saves time and allows flexibility. Here, while is a contrasting connector, therefore I know it will lead to a negative information further. It can sometimes lead to misunderstandings due to lack of tone and body language. Misunderstanding is again a negative word. This is where I might find my right answer. After reading the locations, come back to your options and read them now. A. It is expensive. I will be using elimination method to rule out the extra options. Expensive is not something that I've read in the passage, therefore I'll rule it out. B. It can cause misunderstandings. Misunderstandings matches with what I've read. C. It takes more time. So what do you think is the right answer? Take your time. Yes, correct answer is B. Most students choose A, but the passage clearly says misunderstandings. This could be a trap, so don't just assume. Read the keywords carefully. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily such updates. If this video is helpful, make sure that you share it with someone who is preparing for his or her CELPIP exam. Now, move on to question number 2. This will test your vocabulary. Question number 2. What does concise mean in the passage? A lot of students don't know the meaning of all the words mentioned in the text. It's okay. We'll use the same strategy here, step by step. Read the question first, after which look at the word in the text. I can find concise here. In the last sentence, experts suggest that employees should use clear and concise language to avoid confusion. Now, how do I understand what it means? So it says, employees should use clear and concise language to avoid confusion, to avoid something negative. So they must be using positive. Clear is positive word. Concise must mean something positive. Now look at your options. Option A, long and detailed. Long, I don't think so. It matches with avoid confusion, or detailed either. B, short and clear. C, confusing. Confusing is negative. C is ruled out. Now we are left with A and B. I can match clear with my exact same keyword mentioned in the text. Therefore, what is your answer? Yes, correct answer is B, short and clear. Make sure that you are not leaving out your vocabulary questions because these are very easy to get scores. Don't skip them. Try question number 3rd and 4th by yourself. Answers will be revealed at the end. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe and share it with someone who is in need of reading strategies. Make sure to come back for more strategy videos.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends.